Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will discuss a tutorial, how to scan barcodes on Android phones. If you need that, here are the steps. The first way, swipe your Android phone screen like this, to bring up the quick panel. Then select the Scan QR Code menu. Tap this image option and select the QR code image that you have. Make sure the entire QR code area is covered. Tap Done. And now, the data in the QR code has appeared. The second way, you can also scan the QR code online. Just search for Scan QR Code on Google search. And then select the website at the top. Click the Scan Now option. Import your QR code image file here. And you're done. This is the data that has been successfully scanned. Those are two ways to scan QR codes on Android phones. That's all for this video. Good luck, and thank you for watching.